Awesome, so we're nearly finished. The last thing we have to do is the new flowers. And I know a few people have asked me to do a video about the new flowers. So I'm really pleased with them because they're really easy to do, but they've got that real cool 3D look about them. So the first thing to do is that we just have the simple cutters. Cut them around, cut out, do the same thing that you've seen us do the rest of the video, where you make the nice smooth edge. And then all you do is, on the big flower, it actually only has 4 petals. But Belinda and I are going to make a small one. So put it in your hand and turn it over and pinch it. So can you see that you folded it in on each other and pinched it? Yeah, that's perfect. And pinched it. And then put that one down. And you want to press it hard enough that it sits. And you might find that when you've done them all, you have to pull some of it up again. So you do the next one. You just fold it and pinch it and squeeze it in the middle. And then sit it beside the other one. And then you've got the 5 of them together. And you're set. So here is the next part. So you could just do this and that would be fine. But because we like to lean them up against the horn and give them a 3D look, this is what I then do. I put my fingers in all of them and just kind of go around and pinch the joins between them. And then roll your little ball for the center. So the ball's not really holding it together. It's already holding itself together. And then just press it on. And then you just lay it on the cake, and because you've already pinched it together, it doesn't fall over. So for the big flower, and it's the only flower that's like this, I'll let you pinch a couple, we've only put 4 petals, and the reason being is that it has to balance on the side of the horn, and 5 petals was just unforgiving. So we're just doing 4 petals for this one, and because there's so much better. So what I do with this one is I actually just physically, and if one falls down, I just pick them up. So do you see what I mean? It's really easy if you just use your fingers and push it into the middle. Flatten it in the middle. The little baby ones, I've found that they don't sit as well on each other. So you almost have to pinch them a little bit less. They don't sit as close together. So you kind of have to accept that they're just going to be kind of like that. Again, pick it up with your knife. It's easier. You can just slide it off and then the whole thing doesn't fall apart. And boom, 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 boom.